My name is Kimberly, and I come to you today with our daily home Bible readings for Thursday, June the 4th, 2026. Here in this text, Isaiah 65:13 through 19 reminds us that God sees the sorrow, weariness, and the silent pain of his people. He does not leave us in grief forever. See, the Lord promises a future filled with joy, peace, and restoration, a day when our past troubles would no longer hold our hearts captive. See, if you're walking through a season of tears now, be encouraged. God is already preparing something new for you. Your pain is not permanent, and your story will not end in sorrow. See, when we are in His presence, healing comes, hope rises, and joy will shine through. So, what new thing do you think? Do you believe God is prepared for you in your life? See, in this passage here, the Lord distinguishes between two groups of people: those who reject Him and those who trust Him. Here, the message here is hope, but God promises that His servants who trust Him will rejoice, sing, eat, and drink. He speaks of creating new heavens and new earth, where pain of the past will be forgotten and weeping will be no more. See, I encourage you now to lift your eyes beyond your present situation and remember that God's plans are filled with peace and restoration. For anyone needing strength today, I don't know what you're going through. This text reminds us that joy is coming, peace is coming, and a day without tears is promised by God. Now share this with someone who is losing hope.